Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Bill's equipment from Tennessee, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool single slot payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We're going to be doing a conversion on this payphone. We also want to go through the circuits. We want to check the bell and bell circuit, the hook switch, the transmit, receive, and the security cable. We also want to make sure that all the change is falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. We want to install a modular port on the inside of this payphone so Bill can simply bring in any length line cord, any color he chooses, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to convert the main PC board that's in this payphone because we have a really cool option here to the side. It's a loudness button and it should have 3 settings of loud. We want to try to save that option. That's why we want to work with the main PC board that's in this unit. So that's a really cool option, and we're going to try to utilize it. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool payphone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're working on the coin validator, and we want to make sure that all the coins fall through the coin validator and into the cash box area. And Bill is not going to use it for money, but in case anyone ever does put money into it, you'll be able to remove the change. We're going to go ahead and use a quarter. We'll go ahead and put that into the unit. We're going to do a dime, a nickel, one more quarter, another dime, and one last nickel. We'll go ahead and pull our cash box out. Now Bill's getting rich with bubblegum money. And now we know that the coin validator will accept coins and they'll fall down into the cash box area. Now, the coin return does work, so it may not accept a coin and that will go into the coin return and it can be retrieved there. We're going to go ahead and take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now and we're going to run through a little bit about what's going on. Now, the informational signs both had water damage and they had some rust stains and dirt stains, and we were able to remove most of those stains. We also installed a blank number card, so that was taken care of. Okay, we're back now and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention, along with all of the repair and conversion, we replaced the transmitter for the handset. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to check out our loudness button, so we'll do that. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch the analyzer, that red light on the analyzer is an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, September 10th. The current time, 11:18 p.m. and the temperature 64 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Bill and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.